Now we will move to the next data type, that is called as a sets. Okay, sets are nothing but you will be knowing that collection of item it is. Okay, it's a collection of item, but there is no duplicate to be allowed. Okay, there is no duplicate is allowed. It is ordered. It is unordered. Okay, unordered means it will not follow the order. Okay, it is will be unordered, and we can modify. It is changeable, but we can change. Okay, changeable one. Okay, so the difference between the list and this one is it won't allow any duplicates. For example, I take car. Okay, I just want to create any set, means it should be in a flower bracket. It should be in a flower bracket. I just say like a car, like Maruti, or I just give the brand name like Alto, and I say Punch. Okay, comma, I say 800, or I say the you can write any a car brand name like Swift. Okay, like this I have it taken a car brand. In case I have allowed one duplicate like 800, two times I have repeated here, and I just create one more of this car 2. Okay, second car, the I just take like one more thing like Alto. I may be having a like different store, like cars available in a store one. I say this one, and this will be in a store 2. Okay, cars available in a store 2 is a like 800 is available. Only Maruti it will be available here, right? Correct. Here, even Tata's Punch also available, but here only Maruti cars are available. Two store I have, car store 1, car store 2. Now I execute it. Now if I print car store 1, you can see that allow there has been taken away that thing which we had, right? Okay, that thing which we had has been taken out. Duplicate, it will not allow the duplicate. You can check here. We have a 5 item you are shown, but if you check the length of it, okay, one more bracket to be closed, 4 only, because duplicate it will treat as a only 1. It is not allowed any duplicate. That is a one thing. And like it is unordered means we will not be able to slice. For example, car store 1, is it able to slice? It is not allowed, means it is not been ordered. Okay, there is no index for it, 0 1 2 3 like this. Index is not there in a set. Okay, we will not be able to slice like this. Okay, we will not be able to slice because this is not in a order. If it is there in a order, then only we can say 0 1 2 3 like this. Can we changeable, like can we change the item? Yes, we can change the item. For example, I say car store 1. I would like to add that particular store 1, a new brand has been taken, like just give the like K10 I would like to add. So I say add. There we have to give the add, which element to be added. I just say K10. Now you can print car store 1, K10 is added. See, when we append, it will be at the last, right? Because it has a particular order. You can see now order has been changed again. 800 first, then punch, then K10, Alto, Swift. Means it randomly changing the order every time. Okay, so we'll not be having a control over the order. It is all totally unordered, and there is no duplicate is allowed. And yes, we can change the things. There is no slicing is applicable here. That's the one thing. Then I just want to copy something. Just we need to say car dot store one. Okay. I just want to say car is equal to car store one dot copy. If I do, yes, we can copy that. Okay, we can copy. In case I would like to clear that, I say car dot clear to clear the that particular set is empty now. Okay, we can check the type, everything, type of set we can check. Clear is over, copy is over. Then we have the one more thing like um, update, like one more car we have. Okay, new set of car we have. I just say car is equal to, okay, I just say new car is equal to, I may be having some set of cars now to be updated to the store one. Like we may be having cars like, give some names. Okay, like we can say Swift is over. Okay, I'm not that car passionate person, so not able to recall all. Okay, like Ferrari or something I'm writing. Okay, spelling may be wrong. Okay, Skoda, like this. I have new car list, it has to be updated to here. Okay, car store one. So what we will do, we'll take car store one dot dot, it has to be updated, right? So we say update. There in a list we have a extend, here we have a update with a new car. Now you can see car store one, it's updated with a new. Okay, like this. For example, I would like to remove something. I can say remove particular car like a Skoda. I can remove it from my list. Yes, we can remove. In case what happens when we remove once again like this, na, like Skoda, we will get an error if it is not there. So we use a discard for that one. Okay, if I use a discard, if it is there it will remove, otherwise it will keep quiet. Okay, it will not give any error. The difference between discard and remove is both are same. Okay, but it will just discard will not give error if that item is not there, but remove will give the error if item is not there. Okay, then one more is there like a pop. Here also we can pop one by one, like last item we can pop. So in car store one now, that will be eliminated. Okay, so we can say again we'd like to add 800, we can add 800. Okay, like this we can update. Okay, pop is over. Like I just want to check like one more thing, the discard is over. Like few of the things I listed out, I'm just checking um, which are the things to be. Yeah, union means here two car store I have. Okay, in both the store which are common, I just want to check that one. That is nothing but intersection. Okay, cars available in a both the store I would like to check. So I say car store one dot intersection with a car store two. I just try to check what are the common things available in a both. Okay, in car store 1 and car store 2. Okay, this is the intersection. If I use here intersection update, na, car store 1 will be modified to this list, the new one. Okay, when you use the update, then I can check the union means joining both the sets. Okay, both the sets if I like to join, we can say car store 2. Okay, then both the set will be joined. The common, or if it is duplicate is that it will be eliminated. Anything which is there without duplicate it will be added. Okay, car store 2, it is a union. We will not be able to add as it is we shown that car store 1 plus car store 2, like this we will not be able to add. Okay, we will not be able to add the set. This is the one thing we need to remember. If you like to add two sets, then we have to use a union. In case I would like to have a common things in a both the set, we have to go with the intersection. Okay, then clear copy. Difference is nothing but difference between these two. They are except common item it will take up. Okay, the ulta of the union it is intersection it is. Okay, then is a disjoint, we can check is it a joint, or is a subset or a superset, like is it a like a car 1, is it a car 2 is subset of car store 1. It's true, right? Car 2 has all the element which are there in a car set 1. So you will get a true when this is a subset of this one. Similarly, we can check the superset, means is a superset. Okay. It says false because superset is a car 1 here. Okay, car 1 is a superset, car 2 is a subset. That's the reason we are getting as a false. Means is the common elements are there in that particular two sets or not, we will check by using a this is a superset, subset. Okay, interactions. Okay, pop, remove, edit. Okay, union. These are the some of the important set related activities. Important one we have been covered. Okay, some of more there will be there whenever it comes to application side comes, we will learn that. Because everything if you learn in a single point of time now, you will not be able to understand that where exactly I can use that one, right? So whenever the use case comes, we will definitely uh, discuss about that how it happened. Okay, now as for now for understanding purpose of your like coding, okay, how set works, this will be the more than sufficient how sets works. Okay, in next session we will discuss about dictionaries.